Hey friends, today I want to share with you a very healing recipe, a cold relieving warm apple ginger juice. The ingredients are very simple and it's quite delicious. Many people suffer from cold, coughs, sore throats during season changing time. Upon discovering this natural remedy, I happen to have a little one who caught a cold and couldn't go to school. So I decided to give it a try. He loves it and says it was very soothing. So let's get started. First, wash and peel apples. Any variety of apple will do. I like to stop by my local farm stop and get their second grade apples, as they're usually cheaper and great for making juice and smoothies. Then take out the core. They don't have to be super neat. Rough chopping will get the job done because they're all going to be blended in the blender later. Then add ginger, peel it, then cut it up roughly. Ginger has been used for centuries as both food and medicine. It helps reduce inflammation, also help fight sore throat, ease congestion, and warming the bodies. The easiest method is to use a simple version of a soy milk maker. Just put all the ingredients in because it will cook and blend everything up, and it's really convenient. Select the soy milk mode. Mine takes about 23 minutes total. Press the button and it will cook and blend everything up. Don't worry if you don't have a soy milk maker. You can boil them on the stovetop. I will bring it to a boil and then simmering on low heat with the lid on for about 15 minutes. After that, use a blender to blend everything up. When it's done, you can either let it cool off or I'm too impatient, so I add some ice cubes. I also added some honey and lemon juice. Honey and lemon are effective for cough. They both have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Just make sure to add honey when it cools off so it protects the nutrients. And there you have it. The delicious hot apple ginger juice is ready. Just drink it warm. It's really comforting. For those with a cold or cough, you should really give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.